A few days ago, I finished printing these slides and I couldn't tell if they were going to be super comfortable or just absolutely terrible. So today I'm going to wear them the entire day and find out. I want to answer a few questions. Are they comfortable to wear? Do they get painful after a little while? Do they make my feet sweat? And most importantly, would I ever wear them again? So let's find out. Okay, so I've been wearing these slides all day long, and for the most part, they're pretty comfortable. I haven't really gone out much, a couple of trips to the gas station. I never really got out, so just driving in them. Not a lot to complain about. They make a little noise whenever everything's quiet and you're walking in them. You can hear them kind of squishing. They're holding up really well. They're not tearing anywhere. You might have noticed earlier I have socks on with them. That's because the bridge across the top was rubbing on the top of my foot and it was unbearable. So had to put that there. It's just not soft on that portion. I considered that that's the case with all shoes. Typically, you got to break them in, but the problem is you're not going to break these in. They're going to stay that same stiffness, I believe. Um, Even after standing in them for long periods of time, they don't look smushed, they're they kind of spring back into their original form, I guess. But if you listen, you can hear that happens whenever you're walking too. I guess they weren't hot, so they didn't make my feet sweat or anything. If anything, they were, even with socks on, they weren't hot. They're comfortable to stand in. Tread on the bottom, not much. So I don't know how it would be if I stepped on a slippery space. I don't think it would do very well. Okay, so if you look closely, you can see the sock is just shredded. And I assume that if I hadn't had socks on, that would have been my skin. You can see bits of it but it's mostly the inside edge in there. Right here. Some right there. And right there on top. Let's see. The same is true on this one. Yeah. All along the inside edge. Now, I didn't feel any of this wearing the socks. So, final result, they're pretty cool. And I would recommend to anyone, whether it's this shoe, a different shoe, if you have the opportunity to print a shoe, it's a pretty cool experience. I would not recommend wearing these without socks on. just because I saw what it did to my sock. So I'm assuming that wouldn't be great for my foot. I'll probably still wear them around the house with socks on, just because I made these. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna probably give them a 7 out of 10. Not bad, maybe an 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching the video. If you like stuff like this, you want to see more of it, please like, subscribe, follow, and I'll see you guys next time as we continue printing all the things. Hey, I'm trying to make a video here. My dogs.
Dad. They call this a fidget toy.
I am currently recording.